For many people, making money online would be an absolute dream come true. If they could find a way to make money with a website or some other online venture, they could quit their job to focus on entrepreneurship, spend more time with their family, and finally take back control of their time and their lives. If you're angling to earn money online but aren't sure where to start, you're at the right place. Stay tuned, as today we'll show you the 5 best assets that you can use to start with your first steps in earning money online. Whether you're looking to make some fast cash or you're after long-term, more sustainable income producing results, there are certainly ways you can make money online today. If you want to find more detailed information of the assets mentioned in our video, you can check the links in the description below. Now, let's start. Let's start our list with the success story about John Crestani. You may have seen this bearded entrepreneur on Forbes or YouTube. Having failed at a few different online businesses, John finally found a success in that online health supplement business and is now the CEO of his own company. Nutrist is the story we all dream about, from frustrated and underappreciated employee to multi-millionaire world traveler. A great thing is that John Crestani is sharing his knowledge through online marketing program called Super Affiliate System. The program is broken down into modules. Each module contains videos, resources, links, and exercises John wants you to complete. It introduces beginners to the world of affiliate marketing and, surprisingly, gets them started by building a strong foundation. I say surprising because training with a strong foundation is not very common. Online marketing is competitive, and although your audience is massive, it can take significant effort to get the ball rolling, depending on your niche. Not only does John offer some unique strategies and tricks of the trade, but he brings in other industry experts to teach as well. More experienced affiliate marketers will also find some great information here. For those who are serious about making money online, every advantage is critical, and that's what Internet Jet Set provides. It's not the silver bullet you're looking for, but if you dig through it deep enough, it has potential to give you an edge your competitors may not have. John Crestani is all about action, and we like that. Next asset on our list is a must for anyone that's starting to think how to make money online is sale funnels. Are you trying to sell stuff online? Then I'm sure you'll agree that converting your visitors into sales is hard, and getting yourself profitable, well, that's even harder. But there's a simple secret to increasing the value of every customer you sell to. By creating a well-designed sales funnel, you can dramatically increase your sales and provide more value to your customers. As a best example of sales funnels, we have the ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is an online sales funnel builder that helps businesses market, sell, and deliver their products online. This tool simplifies online marketing, selling, and delivery of their products and services by providing users with funnel options that are pre-built for a specific business, product, or service. With ClickFunnels, it's easy to create a marketing and sales funnel from the ground up, as it incorporates all the core elements needed to have a functional and effective sales funnel. Traditional online funneling means you need to deal with website hosting, landing pages, email autoresponders, and more, and have them all work in unison. It's all hard work, but traditional sales funnels are time-intensive and very expensive. ClickFunnels incorporates all these and more, offering them in a comprehensive, unified package so you won't have to deal with them one by one. As long as you have a business, ClickFunnels has the special funnel that's just right for you. Before we continue with the next asset, one thing that you'll definitely need if you think about making money online is a website. The first step in building your online presence is finding a web host, the company that will store your website's files on it and servers that deliver them to your readers and customers' browsers. And we want to share with you a great option for this one. One.com, one of Europe's biggest hosting companies, having 1,500,000 customers across 149 countries with almost the same number of employees. Whether you're in the market for cheap hosting, shared hosting, website builders, or WordPress hosting, we definitely think One.com is a great option to consider. Now, let's continue. Next, we have an asset to help anyone that's into the book publishing business. Are you an aspiring author looking to get your books out on the market? Or perhaps you're just someone who wants to make some extra money on the internet. You may need a little help to get yourself started. This is where Kindle Money Mastery comes into play. The Kindle Money Mastery program was created by Stefan Pilarinos. Stefan Pilarinos promises that his K-Money Mastery training program will draw you closer to your dreams of financial freedom. He promises to reveal to you his proven, step-by-step, six-figure income-generating method of selling Kindle books on Amazon.com. He also promises to show you how you can get started making money with Kindle even today. Can you truly achieve success simply by selling Kindle books without having a technical skill or marketing knowledge? According to Stefan Pilarinos, you don't even need to write your own books. K-Money Mastery claims to show you how to outsource everything at a low cost and turn a hefty profit. It's all about successfully publishing books on Kindle, so Stefan breaks down every step of the process into basic categories. It may seem really complicated at first, but once you get the hang of it, publishing is quite simple. There are a vast number of videos that offer lessons on the basics of book publishing. If you're a beginner, I especially suggest starting out with the K-Money Mastery program. Once you learn the basics of finding keywords, creating a book cover, creating the book, and the publishing process, you can take a different course to learn more advanced concepts. More and more people are looking to set up successful online businesses, and one idea that's been steadily gaining traction is setting up an online store, specifically a Shopify store. So how can you make money with Shopify? And what are the tricks and tips that you need to implement? A great way you can learn all the tips and tricks is taking the Kevin David's Shopify Ninja course. The one thing you must know about Kevin David is that he's a young master at doing online business. This guy is involved in so many profitable online business ventures, it's not just funny. Apart from having his Shopify drop shipping course, he's an influential YouTuber with over 350,000 subscribers. Kevin's Shopify course is a proven, full-time educational drop shipping business training which will require you to buckle down and take action for it to work effectively. There are specific modules which you'll have to follow step by step, which will ensure your success with Shopify. In the first modules, he'll guide you through each and every step involved in the creation of your store. He will also help you to choose a name, open your store, edit the settings correctly, and help you get familiar with Shopify. He will share some examples of highly profitable niches which you can use, but I recommend to do your research as a lot of people are going to be trying the examples. To sum up, if you're started with drop shipping, I absolutely think that this course will benefit you greatly as it will help you connect all the dots and encourage you to take action, which is the most important part. To finish our list, we have another asset that is a must for all of those drop shipping businesses, and that is SaleWho. SaleWho is a New Zealand-based organization that was founded in 2005 by Simon Slade and Mark Ling. It is a wholesale directory that connects individuals with over 2.5 million branded products and 8,000-plus manufacturers, wholesalers, drop shippers, and liquidators. SaleWho acts solely as an intermediary and is not a direct supplier, so they do not exchange any merchandise. Drop shippers use their sourcing tool to connect with suppliers, manufacturers, and liquidators to get access to products at wholesale prices that they can sell to consumers. Essentially, SaleWho is a must-have for serious drop shippers, especially if you're new to drop shipping and you're trying to get your store built and making you money. It's going to take a lot of sweat and due diligence when you're looking for the right supplier. SaleWho also offers website templates so drop shippers can start their own online store via their platform. While their back end isn't as powerful as Shopify's, it's a fair starting point for inexperienced drop shippers. However, you need to be a premium member to have access to this feature. SaleWho does all that work and due diligence for you. They also have an impressive training center and support team that wants you to succeed. Most importantly, it's really affordable. That will be all for today's video. There are ridiculous numbers of ways to make money online, and the ones we've covered in this video are just the tip of the iceberg. If you have time, a passion for almost anything, and at least some creative skill, you may be able to build an online income stream, or several, if you give it enough time. We surely hope that this video will help you in taking your first steps of your money-making venture. If you find any of the featured assets interesting, you can find more information about them in the description below. And before you go, please join our growing community by hitting the subscribe button and clicking the bell icon for notification. Don't forget to write a comment below if you want a product to be reviewed in our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Until next time.